Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 16th, 2020. We have here a 4-star Sudoku, and this Sudoku will be number 1543. And how many printed digits are there? We have here 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10, 13, 14, 15, plus 5 is 20, 24, equal to 24, yes. Previous one has 25, this one 24. So let me see if this is an easy one. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have the 4 and the 7 here in this big square, so no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes, so the 4 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 is missing. 2 is missing, and then 9 is missing in the first row. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. How about this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? This big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 5. 1, 6, 5. So no 1, 6, 5 in these 3 boxes. The 1, 6, 5 goes in those 3 boxes. 1, 6, 5, yes. 1 cannot be here, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. 1, 6, 5. That means the other 3 boxes should be the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. The 3, the 8, and the 4. The 4 is missing here. Yes, 4. That means 2 boxes left in this column. The 2 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 2 goes there. Then. The 2. Yes, we have a pair in this big square. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 and a 3 here in this column, the middle column, so no 2 and a 3 in those 2 boxes, so the 2 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. So the other 2 boxes in this big square are the numbers 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Well, we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore, so this should be a 1. So the 2 boxes left, the 6 and the 5. Let me mark them. 6 and the 5. 3 boxes left. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 6 and the 8 are left in this big square. We have an 8 here in one of these 2 boxes in this column, so no 8 in that box. 8 should be here. The 6 goes there. We have a 6 now, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 5. Alright. 6. Here should be the 6. Here. 3. 7, 2. Yeah, 8. Also complicated. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see, yes, first digit. Alright. Boom. Let me see. Two numbers left in this row for the numbers 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square, the 3 and the 2. 2 and a 3. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 1, 4, the last row, 1, 4, and the 3 are missing. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 here, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left now in the last row. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. The 8 is missing. We have an 8 here. And the 7 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 in this column. 1 in the third column. So the column between these two boxes could be a 1 here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between. The only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in this box, so the 2 could be here or could be there. And the 5 is missing also. I cannot fill this yet. And the 7 is missing. The 7, we have a 7 here, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. The only place for the 7 should be there. Here we have 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. Let me mark them. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 5 and the 8. We have a 5 here in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 boxes left in the first column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark them. It's up here. How about these 2 numbers in the second column? 1, the 2 is missing. And the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 6 is missing. 6 in this row, 6 in the in that row, so in the middle row. The only 3 places for the 6 here, or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Only place for the 6 should be there, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3. 1 box left in the first row for the number 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next, so in the last column. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 4. 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 8. I have 1 box left in the middle row for the number 3. 8 and 4 are left in this big square. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 8. We have a 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. Finish in 12 minutes. Alright, a 4-star Sudoku. How can it be? In 12 minutes, 4 stars. And the previous one, a 3-star Sudoku, it took twice as long. Yes. I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you in a minute with the other 4 Sudokus. 2 tectonics ones and 2 binary puzzles. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.